In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a Google Calendar widget on your iPhone. This can be a game changer if you're looking to keep your calendar accessible right from your home screen. So let's dive in and get this set up. First things first, grab your iPhone and locate the Google Calendar app. If you haven't downloaded it yet, make sure to do so from the App Store. Once you have it, open the app. When you launch the app, you'll be prompted to sign in. You'll need to enter your email address in the sign-in field. This is the email linked to your Google account, so go ahead and type it in. Once you've done that, you'll click on the next button to proceed. Now you'll need to enter your Google account password. This step is crucial as it ensures that all your calendar data is securely synced with your iPhone. Once you've entered your password, click Next again, and you should now be properly signed into your Google Calendar account. The next step is accessing your iPhone's home screen where we'll be adding the widget. So tap and hold any empty space on the home screen until the app icons begin to jiggle. This gesture activates your iPhone's edit mode, allowing you to rearrange apps, create folders, or in this case, add a widget. Now look for the plus sign that appears in the top left or right corner of your screen and tap it. This will open the widget gallery. Here, you're going to see a variety of widgets that you can add, but today we're focusing on the Google Calendar widget. You can use the search bar at the top or scroll through the list to locate the calendar widget. Once you've found it, click on Google Calendar. This will show you the widget options available. You should see a few different sizes and styles to choose from. Consider how much space you want the widget to occupy on your home screen. Choose the size and style that suits your preferences best, and then click on Add Widget. You're almost done. Now with your widget in place, you may want to adjust its position by gently dragging it around your home screen until it's exactly where you want it. Finally, to lock everything in place, press the home button or simply tap outside of the widget editing area. And there you have it. Your Google Calendar widget is all set up and ready to keep you on track with your schedule right from your iPhone's home screen. I hope you found this guide helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.